Today, I have an advanced English masterclass planned for you, designed to help you improve all areas of your English. In this session, we're focusing on vocabulary, grammar, listening, pronunciation, and speaking skills. Welcome back to Excellent Academy, the English Guru. I am your Manoj Kandpal, sir. Now, let's get started. Section 1. Vocabulary. In this section, we'll cover collocations, phrasal verbs, and idioms, essential tools for sounding natural and fluent. Let's start with collocations, words that naturally go together. For example, instead of saying take a decision, we say make a decision. Instead of do a mistake, we say make a mistake. These phrases sound natural to native speakers and make you sound fluent too. Now, on to phrasal verbs. For example, give up means to stop trying. I won't give up on learning English. Turn up means to arrive unexpectedly. He turned up at the party out of nowhere. Lastly, idioms add color to language. For example, break the ice means to start a conversation in a friendly way. I broke the ice by asking about her favorite movie. Spill the beans means to reveal a secret. He accidentally spilled the beans about the surprise party. Section 2. Grammar. Advanced grammar can make your sentences more impactful. Let's practice relative clauses to give extra information about a noun. Example: the book that I borrowed was amazing. Here, that I borrowed adds details about the book. Conditional sentences also help express hypothetical ideas. Example: if I had known about the event, I would have attended. This type of sentence shows how things could have been different. Section 3. Pronunciation. Pronunciation plays a big role in clarity. We'll focus on sounds like the TH and R sounds. For the TH sound, place your tongue between your teeth in words like think and this. For the R sound, make sure your tongue doesn't touch the roof of your mouth. Practice with read, run, and write. Section 4. Listening skills. Listening helps you understand native speakers better. Focus on keywords rather than every single word. For example, if someone says, I'll grab a bite before heading to the meeting, the keywords grab a bite imply getting food. Section 5. Speaking practice. Now, let's bring everything together in speaking. Speaking is where all your skills unite. Here are a few tips. 1. Think in English. Instead of translating from your native language, try thinking directly in English to speak more naturally. 2. Use filler phrases. Native speakers often use fillers to sound natural, like let me think, you know, or what I mean is. 3. Practice with topics. Pick a topic like travel, food, or your hobbies, and practice speaking about it using the vocabulary and phrases from this masterclass. For example, you could say, I decided to take a break, grab a coffee, and return to my work refreshed. Use collocations, idioms, and phrasal verbs to express yourself naturally. Let me wrap up with a short story. Imagine a young woman named Ria, passionate about learning English. She struggled with confidence at first, always feeling her vocabulary was lacking, and her pronunciation made people misunderstand her. She joined classes, studied hard, and practiced speaking even when she made mistakes. One day, Ria attended a meeting where she had to introduce her company to international clients. She used her newly learned collocations, spoke without translating in her head, and even added a few idioms to sound fluent. The clients were impressed not just by her English, but by her confidence and clarity. That meeting changed her life. It led to her promotion and a newfound belief in herself. Like Ria, remember that every little step counts. Each new word, phrase, or pronunciation trick you learn brings you closer to speaking fluently. Just keep practicing, believe in your progress, and soon you'll experience the confidence that comes with mastering English. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you shine in your English journey. Let's make English easy, enjoyable, and practical with Manoj Kandpal, Sir, the English Guru.